Here we've got Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, and then under settings locate camera app. It is right here, mark it, and if you click on record video, you will be able to change the quality right here. So if you would like to activate 4K at 30 FPS, just mark it and it will be applied. Obviously you can pick whichever quality you prefer, smoothly mark it, and then you'll be able to record in this video mode. Obviously you can change the HDR video, you can deactivate it or activate high dynamic range. So that's it, that would be all. This is how you can personalize video recording. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.